more, I am sure. તો છોકરાઓના પ્રોગ્રામ પછી તમે આટલું ધીરેથી શાઉટ કરવાના છો? નહીં ચાલે, બિલકુલ નહીં ચાલે. Once more, how are you all today? That's it. Okay, everyone is here, all excited and all. So let me begin today's program with a set of instructions. થોડા ગુજરાતીમાં બોલી દઈશ. નંબર 1, તમારા મોબાઈલ્સ પ્લીઝ સ્વિચ ઓફ રાખજો યા તો સાયલેન્ટ મોડ પર. સેકન્ડલી, તમે કોઈ પણ કારણસર બહાર નીકળવું પડે તો થોડા ક્વાઇટલી નીકળજો તાકી આજુબાજુમાં કોઈને ડિસ્ટર્બ ના થાય. We also request everyone to remain seated and enjoy the performances by our talented students who have really worked hard to make this event a success. Students, a most important point છે, સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ તમને પ્રોગ્રામ દરમિયાન હેન્ડઓવર કરવામાં નહીં આવે. કાઇન્ડલી નોટ પ્રોગ્રામ પતે એન્ડમાં પછી અમે તમને ક્લાસ વાઇઝ મોકલીશું તાકી ભીડ ના થાય ત્યાં, અને ક્લાસ વાઇઝ જઈને તમારે છોકરાઓને કલેક્ટ કરવાના છે. એ બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. ઓકે. એન્ડ લાસ્ટલી, we would like to announce that we have our own school's YouTube channel, and very shortly we'll be uploading this whole program. All the sequence, all the 3 programs will be uploaded and you can watch them peacefully at your home. So it's a sincere request to everyone that please, when the program darmiyan, I understand you're all excited તમારા બાળકોના વિડીયો લેવા માટે, બટ તમે આગળ આવશો તો અગેન પાછળવાળાને ડિસ્ટર્બ થશે. એટલે પ્લીઝ મારી સ્ટ્રોંગ રિક્વેસ્ટ છે કે તમે પ્લીઝ તમારે સીટ પર સીટેડ રિમેન કરજો અને ત્યાંથી જ અગર તમે ચાહો તો ત્યાંથી શૂટ કરી શકો છો. ઓકે, સો નાઉ ઓલ રેડી? શેલ વી બિગિન ટુડેઝ પ્રોગ્રામ? ઓકે. So to set the tone for today's event, I would like to invite Mrs. Shilpa Musle, our coordinator for KG to Standard 5, to share her thoughts and insights with us. Please join me in welcoming Shilpa ma'am on stage.
Jai Swaminarayan to all. Our chief guest, Mrs. Alpana Mathur, Principal Ma'am, Yashvi Ma'am, all dignitaries, parents, and my dear students. Today, we gather here to celebrate the Atmiya Spandan. The theme is Panchatattva, an eternal element that make up our universe, and to acknowledge their interconnectedness of all living things. Our theme, Panchatattva, an eternal element, remind us the 5 fundamental elements that are building blocks of our existence. That is Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu and Akash. As we begin this annual function, I welcome you to join us on a journey through the 5 elements and to experience the beauty and wonder of natural world. Through music, dance and drama, we will explore the symbolism and significance of each element and how they come together to create the harmony and balance that sustain our lives. The Panchatattva are not just a physical elements but also represent the 5 senses, the 5 gross elements and the 5 subtle elements that make up our being. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance that exists between the natural and the human world. As we celebrate Panchatattva, we also acknowledge the importance of living in harmony with nature and of respecting the beauty and wonder of the world around us. We recognize that our action have an impact on the environment, and that is our responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world for future generations. Today's program is celebration of the eternal elements and the reminder of the importance of living in balance and harmony with nature. We have wonderful lineup of the performance, including dances, skit and song that will take you on the journey through the 5 elements and inspire you to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the natural world. So, sit back and relax and let us take you on this journey through the Panchatattva. Let us inspire you to the life in harmony with nature and to appreciate the eternal elements that make up our universe. Once again, I welcome you all to our annual Spandan and I invite you to join us on this journey through the 5 elements. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shilpa ma'am, for those inspiring words. Now, without further ado, let's dive into this magical journey of childhood. Let's begin the evening by seeking the divine blessings. As we gather here today for this grand celebration, let us begin by invoking the blessings of the Almighty and lighting the ceremonial lamp. The lamp symbolizes knowledge, wisdom, and the triumph of light over darkness. Lighting the lamp also reminds us that education, like the flame, enlightens our minds and hearts, guiding us towards truth and excellence. We now invite our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Alpna Mathur, along with all our dignitaries to kindly come forward and grace this moment by lighting the lamp.
श्रीवासुदेव विमलामृतधामवासं नारायणं नरकटारणनामधेयं श्यामं सितं द्विभुजमेव चतुर्भुजं च त्वां भक्तिधर्मतनयं शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Now, it is a moment of immense pride and honor for us to welcome a very special guest today, someone who has graciously accepted our invitation and joined us for this grand celebration. Today, we are privileged to have with us Mrs. Alpna Mathur, Principal, Baroda High School, Bagikhana, Vadodara. May I request Deepa ma'am to please present a bouquet to Alpna ma'am. Swati ma'am on stage to give a brief introduction of our distinguished guest. A big round of applause, everyone.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. It is indeed a privilege and honor for me to stand before you today on this momentous occasion, our annual function. It is my distinct honor to introduce a distinguished educator and visionary leader, Mrs. Alpna Mathur. Mrs. Mathur began her illustrious career in 1991 as a teacher at Baroda High School, ONGC, and ascended to the position of principal in 2009. Her journey continued as she took on the role of principal at Baroda High School, Bagikhana, in 2019, where she has been instrumental in driving innovation and excellence. Mrs. Mathur's academic credentials are a testament to her commitment to lifelong learning and development. She holds dual master's degree in science and arts along with a master of education, showcasing her interdisciplinary expertise and dedication to education. Under her leadership, Baroda High School ONGC was recognized as the best school in the district for the year 2016 to 17 by the District Education Officer, Vadodara, and awarded a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh. Her initiatives also earned the school the Green Award in the year 2015 and the Best Garden Award, as well as the prestigious International School Award by the British Council for the year 2013 to 2016. At BHS Bagikhana, Mrs. Mathur's effort led to the establishment of an ATL lab under AIM, NITI Aayog, Government of India, and the introduction of vocational programs in graphic designing, coding, horticulture, and mass media. Mrs. Mathur's exceptional contributions to education have been widely recognized through several prestigious awards, including the Excellence in Education Principal Achievement Award 2024 by Bharat Bhushan Samman, ITYM Foundation, and Brahma Kumaris, Dr. Radha Krishnan Award 2021 by Kirti Education and Charitable Trust, and the Best Principal Award by Avantika Foundation, Delhi for the year 2015 to 16, among others. Her commitment to fostering a balanced approach to education, emphasizing sports excellence, cultural enrichment, and mentorship has led students to achieve state, national, and international recognition in various fields. Mrs. Mathurs is celebrated for creating a collaborative, innovative, and respectful work culture, inspiring both educators and students to strive for excellence. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Alpna Mathur, a true luminary in the field of education. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Swati ma'am. A big round of applause once more, everyone. Once again, ma'am, a very heartful welcome to you. It's an absolute pleasure to have you with us today. Your presence certainly adds a special charm to our event, and we are eager to hear your words of wisdom later in the program.
As we embark on this journey, we bow to the goddess of wisdom and knowledge, Ma Saraswati, to illuminate our path with her blessing, presenting a soulful performance, Saraswati Vandana, by the girls of class 5. A big round of applause. start. Let's give our performers a big round of applause for this beautiful invocation.
A school is like a ship, and the principal is its captain, guiding us through every storm and leading us to success. It is their vision, dedication, and tireless efforts that inspire us to dream big and achieve more. Today, we are privileged to have our respected principal ma'am, Deepa ma'am, with us. She has been the cornerstone of our school's growth and success, ensuring excellence in every aspect. Dear audience, let us warmly welcome our beloved principal, Deepa ma'am, to share her thoughts and inspire us with her words of wisdom.
Jai Swaminarayan to one and all present here. And a very warm winter evening to our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Alpana Mathur, honored members of the management, parents, teachers, and most importantly, our budding young talents. It is with immense joy and pride that I stand before you to celebrate the much-awaited annual function for grade 3 to 5, that is Atmiya Spandan, a day dedicated to the profound concept of Panchatattva, the eternal elements, which is a testament to our commitment towards holistic education. We recognize that learning extends beyond the classroom and is deeply intertwined with the natural world. The concept of Panchatattva is, of course, a cornerstone of ancient Indian philosophy, which reminds us that everything in this universe is interconnected. We here at Atmiya Vidyalaya strive to nurture our little ones into a well-rounded individual. We believe that our children should be in sync with these elements. Every element has a message to give. We want our children to be grounded like the earth in knowledge and values, flow with creativity like the water, breathe in new ideas and innovation, have the fire of determination in whatever they do, and understand the dimension of space by fostering a global perspective. We believe that this is the age wherein we can instill in them a deep sense of gratitude towards what nature has provided us with. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It is a powerful catalyst for happiness. It is the spark that lights a fire of joy in your soul. Let our children grow into confident and compassionate individuals who can make the world a better place. This was very much the message that our founder, Param Pujya Hari Prasad Swamiji gave. Today, by acknowledging the role of Panchatattva in our lives, let us all invoke the sense of gratitude towards these eternal elements and not forget their lives, the role of these elements in our lives. We at Atmiya Vidyalaya want our children to understand that it is not just your home that is your own, but the world in which you live also belongs to you. Let us instill in them a feeling of compassion and belongingness. Before we proceed with today's program, I would like to take a moment to appreciate our little anchors today who are hosting the program. Everyone sitting over here would agree that it's not easy to come here confidently and take charge of the event before such a huge audience. We are incredibly proud of their efforts. The creative performances that you will be witnessing today is the hard work of many days that our children have put in. Kindly encourage the little ones, and at the same time, let us not forget that the unsung heroes behind the scenes here are our teachers, who have shaped and polished this program. Their utter patience, creativity, and passion is the foundation on which our event stands strong. I would like to appreciate all the parents for their active role in their child's growth. It is because of you that the school could successfully launch the CMS app also. Thank you for supporting us in this developmental journey. I would like to take this opportunity again to bring to your notice that the invitation cards that you have received for this event have been exclusively designed and made by our grade 11 science and commerce students. We are very proud of them for not just having taken up this responsibility, but the sincerity with which they have been a part of this journey is commendable. Controlling our children is never our real goal, but teaching our children self-control is the goal. Let our children embrace the earth's love, the water's flow, the fire's warmth, the air's caress, and the ether's boundless space in their lives. I thank everyone for being part of this wonderful event. Let us celebrate the unique brilliance of each child here. Wishing you all a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Your thoughtful message has truly motivated us and made this event even more special. A big round of applause once more, please. Dear parents, teachers, and students, the journey of this academic year has been filled with countless moments of joy, discovery, and growth. To celebrate and relive these cherished moments, we have prepared a special presentation. It's a glimpse into all the fun, learning, and laughter that made this year unforgettable. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this trip down memory lane, being presented to you by Arpita Dwivedi of class 8A2 and Sejal Javle of class 9A2.
Good evening, everyone. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Today, I, Arpita Dwivedi of class 8,
and I, Sejal Javle of class 9,
have the honor of standing before you to celebrate the extraordinary achievements of our beloved school.
Our school has always been a shining beacon of excellence, fostering not just academic brilliance, but also nourishing talent in every field. This year, we have added yet another feather to our cap with remarkable achievement.
Our talented students of higher grade have made beautiful invitation card for Annual Day 2024-25.
Academic excellence is a testament to hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It is a reflection of our students' commitment to learning and their passion for knowledge.
मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है, बंजर माटी में पलकर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबादत हूँ, मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबादत हूँ, शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे, मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
Last year, our 10th graders have truly made us proud by achieving exceptional results. Their hard work, perseverance, and dedication, coupled with support of teachers and parents, brought a remarkable success. Now, I would like to announce the names of the toppers. They are first Pranshukun 94.3%, second Diya Patel 92.5%, third Pushpak Barate 88.7%.
External examination play a crucial role in assessing our students' academic performance and preparing them for their future challenges.
The Olympiad exams are not just the test of knowledge, they are the test of critical thinking, problem solving, and determination. This year, our students have shown exceptional results across the various Olympiads, bringing glory to our school.
The Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge, as the name suggests, is a tribute to the great mathematician Aryabhatta, which encourages students to think logically reasoning and problem-solving skill through mathematics. The winners of Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge are first, Kedar Rabari, second, Shaurya Panchal, third, Aryan Verma.
Students are at the heart of every educational institution and their experience matters. Campus management system provide self-service portals, timely notifications, and academic support that enrich the student experience.
Our CMS app is a centralized platform that integrates various aspects of school, including academic management, communication, and resource sharing. This app will facilitate seamless communication, enhance collaboration, and provide easy access to educational resources.
Sports are an integral part of well-rounded education. By including sports in our curriculum, we can foster physical, emotional, and social growth in our students. Sports teach valuable skills such as teamwork, discipline, and perseverance.
Sports event is more than just a fun-filled event. It's a celebration of their hard work, dedication, and passion for sports. Our school student of grade 8th and 9th went for a sport event named Sansad in MS University.
Celebrations bring us together, foster a sense of community, and create a lasting memories. They remind us the importance of joy, gratitude, and togetherness in our lives.
Do you know why National Space Day is so significant? It's a day to honor our scientists, astronauts, and space pioneers who have made the exploring universe possible.
Independence Day is to reflect on our country's progress, acknowledge our achievements, and recommit ourselves to the values of freedom, justice, and equality.
Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year to recognize the immense benefit of yoga for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It's a day to acknowledge the transformative power of yoga, its ability to unite across culture and borders.
Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a renowned philosopher, a statesman who was also dedicated teacher. Today we recognize the vital role that teachers play in shaping our minds, our character, and our future.
गणेश चतुर्थी हिंदू धर्म में एक महत्वपूर्ण त्यौहार है। यह भगवान श्री गणेश के जन्म के अवसर पर मनाया जाता है। हमारे नन्हे फूलों ने गणेश चतुर्थी को बहुत ही उत्सव और उमंग से मनाया था।
Diwali, the festival of lights, is a special occasion to celebrate the triumph of good over evil. On this beautiful festival, our small children had made amazing rangolis and lamps.
This celebration is all about recognition, the achievements and talent of our young friends. It was a time for us to come together and show our appreciation for their hard work and dedication. So we celebrated the Children's Day to appreciate children.
Navratri, which means the ninth night, is a significant festival in Hinduism. It symbolizes the triumph of good over evil and is a celebration of feminine power and spirituality. Here, our teacher and children have celebrated Navratri in a very wonderful way.
Janmashtami is a significant festival in Hinduism, celebrating the birth of Lord Krishna, the eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. It's a day to reflect on the teachings of Lord Krishna, who showed us the path of knowledge, love, and self-service.
Jal Jhelani Ekadashi is a sacred day that commemorates the legend of the Lord Krishna's Vaman avatar. This festival teaches us the importance of humility and dangers of ego.
Activities and competitions play a vital role in shaping our personalities, developing our skills, and fostering a sense of community. They provide a platform for us to learn, grow, and showcase our talent.
Now, let's move on with the summer activity, where our tiny tots will unleash their creativity and paint their imagination on the paper.
Picture Talk is a communication activity where a facilitator or anchor displays a picture and encourages participants to share their thoughts, feelings, and interpretations of the image. Our toddlers had done really good job.
Lippen art is a unique and intricate art form that uses the mixture of clay, water, and natural colors to create the beautiful designs and patterns. It is a significant part of our cultural heritage and is often used to decorate homes and public spaces. So, our creative students have made very beautiful Lipan arts.
Our school has organized different competitions like drawing and essay writing. All the students enjoy this activity a lot. Teachers also help them to conduct this activity in a wonderful way. The school was dipped inside the art of colors.
Now let's turn the pages of our imagination with storytelling competition. Stories have the power to transport us to the faraway lands of imagination.
Blessings are a powerful way to connect with the divine, seek guidance, and express gratitude. They bring us peace, comfort, and strength, reminding us that we are not alone in our journey.
Swamiji's visit to Atmiya Vidyalaya, Pujya Prem Swarup Swamiji Maharaj of Swaminarayan tradition, known for his simplicity, profound teaching, and guidance on leading a spiritual and moral life. His discussions emphasize devotion, self-discipline, and serving others.
Teachers have responsibility to not only impart knowledge but also to shape the minds and characters of our students. Preparing them to be a responsible citizen is crucial for the betterment of our society.
Our talented students had prepared a powerful Nukkad Natak on the topic that concerns all Swachhata Abhiyan, the cleanliness mission. Cleanliness is not just a task, it is a responsibility, a way of life that ensures a healthy and prosperous future for all.
Student council election are an essential part of our school democratic process. They provide a platform for students to exercise their right to vote, develop leadership skills, and take an active role in shaping our school policies and activities.
Vaccination is a crucial step in protecting ourselves and our communities from serious diseases. By getting vaccinated, our students will not only be safeguarding their own health, but also helping to prevent the spread of diseases in our society.
Continuous professional development, CPD, is essential for teachers to stay updated with the latest teaching, methodology, technology, and subject matter experts.
This workshop was based on assessment. Facilitators who should give quality, quick, and positive feedback is important for improvement of students. Life is not about only pen and paper, so facilitators should be focused on development of skills and abilities of the students, which they apply this knowledge in the real world application.
Teachers' workshop based on competency assessment. The fact of having the ability or skill that is needed for doing something extraordinary, it's a real world application. The 5 C's are collaboration, communication, creativity, critical thinking, and character.
Teachers' workshop based on the universal human values. It was about how much time and effort you are investing for human being physical facilities is necessary, but relationships are also necessary. They also told about the feelings in relations, which are trust, respect, affection, care, guidance, reverence, glory, gratitude, and love. There is the continuous professional development of teachers.
Choosing the right career can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance, we can make informed decisions that align with our passion, skill, and values. Also, our teacher provide you with the information and inspiration to be successful.
Last but not the least, with the last slide, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Thank you.
A big thank you to each one who made these moments happen. Thank you once again.
Hey everyone, what an amazing evening we are having, right? Absolutely, Pratik. The dance so far has been spectacular. Our theme for today is the Panchtattva, and we begin with the next performance on the element, Jal, the water. While our buddies get ready for their performance, let's take a moment to talk about something fascinating, the rivers of India.
Did you know, Harsh, that the rivers of India are not just water bodies? They are full of mysteries and surprises that many of us don't know about. But let's talk about Rewa in Gujarat, as our next performance is based on this river. Did you know that the Narmada River is also referred to as the Rewa, which means the one who moves swiftly in Sanskrit?
It is often called the lifelines of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat because of its vital role in these states. One of the major projects on the river is Sardar Sarovar Dam. These projects are crucial for irrigation, hydroelectric power and water supply.
There is also the Parikrama tradition of devotees undertaking a pilgrimage called Narmada Parikrama, walking along the river banks in a clockwise direction, a journey that can take several months.
This is really great information you just shared, which reminds me, Pratik, these rivers are not just beautiful, they are lifelines of millions of people. It's our duty to conserve and respect them.
Well, shaders, let's all cherish our rivers for the history, life, and culture they sustain.
And now, as we celebrate these lifelines, let's welcome the next group who will mesmerize us with their talent.
Presenting the first mesmerizing dance performance by Class 3 that pays tribute to these life-sustaining elements. Let's immerse ourselves in the magic of Jal. A big round of applause.
ऋषि मुनियो न जेवा तारा शोर माछे स्वर ऋषि मुनियो न जेवा दिव से तू नर्मदा छे रात रे तुम्हारे वा दिव से तू नर्मदा छे रात रे तुम्हारे वा मारे वा तारू पानी निर्मल मारे वा तारू पानी निर्मल खड़खड़ वे तू जाए तारू पानी निर्मल ओ खड़खड़ वे तू जाए तारू पानी निर्मल करम जिसे पुकारे वो पहुँचे गंगा किनारे न कर मैली तो गंगा तन धोए मन तो गंदा पलट के फिर नानी बोली बात और बहता पानी न कर मैली तो गंगा तन धोए मन तो गंदा मन पावन हो गंगा में डूबे नहाए मन रावण जो लहरों में तूने बहाए जो चला गया वो लौट के फिर ना आए तेरा कर्म ही है जो संग तेरे ही जाए मन पावन हो गंगा में डूबे नहाए, मन रावण जो लहरों में तूने बहाए।
Yes, and for starters, that was a spectacular performance. Now let's come back to some more mysteries and surprises of the rivers of India. Yes, and for starters, most rivers are considered feminine, but the Brahmaputra river is referred to as male. Isn't that unique? That's true. And here is another one. The Saraswati River, mentioned in Asian texts, is believed to have dried up thousands of years ago. Scientists still study its ancient course. Amazing. And while most rivers in India flow eastward into the Bay of Bengal, the Narmada and Tapti rivers are exceptions, flowing westward into the Arabian Sea. And did you know about the Yamgut River in Meghalaya? Its water is so clear, it feels like the boats are flying in mid-air. Now, these are really some amazing facts, Harsh. But now, let's not keep the audience waiting anymore and move on to the next performance on water and earth, which shows the interconnectedness between the water and earth.
The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. United with friends, I promise to keep it. United with friends, I will love the land. United with friends, I'll be a defender. I will save the earth. The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. I will save the earth.
जल दे जल दे जल दे जल दे जलने ना दे जल ही जल दे जल दे जल दे जल दी जल दे जलने ना दे जल ही जल दे जल दे जल दे जल दी जल दे जलने ना दे जल ही जल दे घनन घन 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 घन
घने घन घोर कार छाए बदरा धमक धमक गूंजे बदरा के डंके चमक चमक देखो बिजुलियां चमके मन धड़काए बदरवा मन धड़काए बदरवा मन धड़काए बदरवा
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ
काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ मेघा छाए बरखा लाए
गिर के आए कहीं मन मचल नहीं चल संभल
गए दिन बदल तू घर से निकल बरसने वाला अब हमने रेत जल घने घने घिर घिर आए बदरा घने घने घोर घारे छाए बदरा धमक धमक गूंजे बदरा के डंके चमक चमक देखो घने 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 घने
What a refreshing and graceful performance. Let's hear it for our talented dancers. A big round of applause.
We have all been enjoying the show, but now let's take a moment to talk about the planet that makes all of this possible, our Earth.
That's right, Darshil. Earth is not just a place we live on it. It is full of incredible facts. For example, did you know that Earth is the only planet known to have life?
Absolutely. And here is something really interesting. Earth's diameter is about 12,742 kilometers, but it is not a perfect sphere. It actually bulges at the equator, which makes it an oblate spheroid.
That's fascinating. And Earth's surface is mostly covered by water, around 71% to be exact, but only 3% of water is fresh. Also, Earth is the only planet in the solar system where water exists in all three forms: solid, liquid and gas, all at the same time. Isn't that incredible?
Exactly. And Earth has the fastest rotational speed of any planet in solar system. It spins about 1,670 km per hour at the equator, which causes day and night.
Amazing, right? Earth truly is a wonder.
Absolutely, Rudra. Now let's continue enjoying the rest of the show and celebrate everything that makes our Earth so special with a dance performance by class 3A2 students.
Here's to Earth, our amazing home. A big round of applause.
खुद जी लो सबको जीने दो, खुद जी लो सबको जीने दो, मेरे लिए जरूरी सब ओ धरती का दिल क्या बोले धक 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 धक। चींटी हो या हाथी हो सब मेरे जीवन साथी हो,
अंबर चिड़िया पानी मछली बातें यही दोहराती हो,
घास फूस या फूल और तितली जंगल नदियाँ और पर्वत
बोल रहे हैं मिलकर सारे
धरती का दिल क्या
Parents, please
बोले
cheer.
धक 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 शेर है राजा पर नन्हे कीड़ों से जंगल बनते
एक मधुमक्खी गुनगुन करती मौसम के चक्कर चलते धक 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 धक
कुछ कॉरल्स की जंजीरों से महासागर रहे काबू में
बर्फ कहीं जो पिघले जरा सी नदियाँ और झरने बहते
इनसे हम हैं और जहां है हो इनसे हम हैं और जहां है समझेंगे हम कब धक 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 धरती का दिल क्या बोले धक 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 ओ खुद जी लो सबको जीने दो मेरे लिए जरूरी सब धक 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 धक
What a heartfelt tribute to our planet. Thank you, dear performers, for reminding us to cherish and protect our Mother Earth.
Friends, every gathering is enriched by the wisdom and inspiration shared by those who lead by example and ignite minds with their words. Today, we are privileged to have such a remarkable individual amongst us, our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Alpna Mathur. Her journey has indeed been a beacon of excellence and dedication. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mrs. Alpna Mathur with a warm round of applause as she takes the stage to enlighten us with her inspiring words.
Good evening, Namaskar. Respected dignitaries, principal, coordinator, dear parents, and my young students. It's my privilege and honor to be here today on this joyous event, watching the incredible performance by the students of standard 3rd to 5th has nothing short of magical. I must begin with the way all the students have been involved and the way they are putting the wonderful program which is based on the theme Panch Tattva, which is very important for students at this age to know the importance of the 5 Tattva. That is, already Madam has briefed you in detail the importance of each Tattva. Such values at this young age, instilled at an early age, plays a crucial role in shaping well-rounded individual who will not only be benefited in their life, but also as they are the future of a country, it plays a very important role. I must commend the principal, teachers and parents for fostering such a rich and nurturing environment where students are encouraged to explore their potential and connect with the timeless wisdom. To the young students, I want to say, watching your performance today has filled me with immense joy and pride. You are the torchbearers of tomorrow, and the confidence and the enthusiasm you have showed plays a very important role for the future. Dear students, always remember the lessons of Panch Tattva. Already Madam told that stay grounded, adapt challenges, pursue your dream with passion, cherish your freedom and think big. Before I conclude, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for inviting me to witness the incredible celebration. This annual function is not just an event, but a reflection of dedication, hard work, and unity of this entire school community. May this institution continue to nurture young minds, inspire them to achieve goals while staying connected to the roots. Congratulations again, once again to everyone, students, teachers and organizers for such a spectacular program. Keep shining, keep learning and keep making all proud. Dear parents, I will just like to say that annual function plays a very important role. Parents, please see that आपके बच्चे ऐसे functions में part लें because it helps in the all-round development of a child. Along with academics at this age, primary level, these all events are very, very important because these events not only train them, along with academic, these events train them, they make them confident because they have to perform on stage before such a huge audience. So, आपको अपने बच्चों को जरूर इनमें part लेना चाहिए. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring and thought-provoking words. Your insights have truly enriched the occasion. A big round of applause once more. And now, as we move forward, let's carry the inspiration we have received into the next segment of our program.
We have been talking about earth and water, but now it's time to look up. Let's talk about something all around us, but often taken for granted. The sky, Akash. That's right, Harsh. The sky is not just a beautiful backdrop to our world, but it's full of wonders and mysteries. Did you know that the sky isn't always blue? Really? I thought the sky was always blue. Well, actually, the sky appears blue because of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight hits the atmosphere, the shorter blue wavelengths scatter more than the other colors, making the sky look blue. That's fascinating. And did you know that the sky has had a mysterious dark side too? During the day, we see the sky lit up, but at night, it becomes the vast, dark expanse of the universe, full of stars, planets, and galaxies. Absolutely. And speaking of stars, did you know that the Milky Way, the galaxy we live in, contains over 100 billion stars? It's just one of many galaxies in the universe. And did you know that the sky is full of colors at different times of the day? During the day, during the sunlight and sunset, the sky transforms into shades of orange, pink, purple, and red because of how the sunlight interacts with the atmosphere at those times. And don't forget about the auroras in the polar regions. The sky lights up with vibrant green and red hues, known as the northern and southern lights. They are caused charged particles from the sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field. The sky truly is a marvel, Prapti. It connects us all from the clouds above our heads to the stars in the distance. It reminds us of the beauty of nature and the vastness of the universe. Absolutely, Harsh. Let's all look up a little more often and appreciate the incredible sky that surrounds us. So let's sit back and enjoy the rest of the performances by Class 4A1 Under the Amazing Sky.
आसमां की छत पे है अपनी दुनिया खिलखिलाती जिसमें है अपनी खुशियाँ चांद की छलनी लिए तारे चुनते हैं हम जादुई है ये जहां अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है, बादल पे पाँव है, ना छूटा गाँव है। अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
Was truly heavenly. A big round of applause for our brilliant performers. From the skies, we move to Vayu, air, the invisible yet powerful force that sustains life. It's the breath of existence connecting all living beings.
Have you ever thought about how we breathe every second, Pratik?
Absolutely. Vayu or air is everywhere and is the very essence of life. It carries the vital pran that keep us alive and moving.
Right, air connects the earth, sky, and water. It's invisible but so powerful. It can be calm like a breeze and forceful like a storm.
And air is also essential for our bodies. It circulates in us, helping us breathe, digest, and even think. Without air, nothing would move.
True, in yoga, the breath or pran is key to balancing our energy. Through pranayama, we control air balancing our mind and body.
Air teaches us about life's flow and connection. It's the silent force that keeps us alive and remind us to stay in harmony with nature.
Let's take a moment to appreciate Vayu, the invisible life force that sustains us all.
Let's witness a captivating performance by Class 4A2 that beautifully represents the flow and freedom of Vayu.
A big round of applause.
धुआं 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 ही धुआं 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 ही धुआं ये साजिशें दिशाओं की, ये साजिशें हवाओं की, लहू लुहान हो गई ज़मीं ये देवताओं की। धुआं 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 ही धुआं 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 ही धुआं। काला काला आसमां है, बादल भी मैला है, घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है। काला काला आसमां है, बादल भी मैला है, घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है। फैक्ट्री हो, केमिकल हो, चूल्हा हो या कार हो, पोल्यूशन की मार से बच्चे क्यों बीमार हो। थोड़ी हवा दे, ताज़ी हवा दे, थोड़ी हवा दे, ताज़ी हवा दे, थोड़ी हवा दे, ताज़ी हवा दे। क्यों तू यहाँ वहाँ कचरा जलाता है, मौत का काला बादल आसमां में छाता है, धुआं फैला के तू खुशियाँ मनाता है, फसलें कटी खेतों में आग क्यों लगाता है। चल हवा दे, जरा हवा दे।
पैदा होती हरे हरे ट्री में, कुदरत देती हवा हवा फ्री में, हमको उसका मोल नहीं है जो भी हमें मिले इसी में।
मत घूम तू ऐसे हरी में, हवाओं को दे जगह भरी में, ऐसा ना हो जिंदगी खो जाए अपनी बेकार के इस हड़बड़ी में। चल हवा दे, जरा हवा दे, थोड़ी हवा दे, ताज़ी हवा दे, थोड़ी हवा दे, ताज़ी हवा दे।
What a breathtaking performance! Let's give our performers another round of applause.
How it connects the 5 elements earth, water, fire, air, and space with not just nature but also our own bodies. Presenting a thought provoking drama by our students of class 4 that beautifully portrays the balance and interconnectedness of the Panch Tattva and how we must preserve this balance for future generations.
ॐ पूर्णामदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Hello everyone! Today we gather to celebrate the essence of life itself, the 5 great elements that sustain and shape our world, the Panch Tattva.
These elements are very special. They are earth, water, fire, air, and sky. Let's learn a little about each one.
Prithvi, the earth, the solid and nurturing force beneath our feet. She is the mother who cradles life, providing stability, sustenance, and strength.
Jal, the water, the flowing and life-giving element. It is the source of vitality, cleansing and nourishing every living being, embodying the essence of adaptability and purity.
Agni, the fire, the fierce and transformative force. It brings warmth and light, ignites passion and stands as a symbol of both creation and destruction, a dance of renewal.
Vayu, the air, the invisible life-sustaining breath. It is the wind that carries whispers of change and fills our lungs with life itself, ever moving and essential.
Akash, the sky, the vast expanse that holds all. It is the heavens, the cosmic canvas where stars are born, dreams float, and time unfolds.
These elements are not just symbols. They are alive within us, around us, binding every part of the natural world.
As we explore their stories and celebrate their significance, let us reflect on the balance they bring, the lessons they teach, and the harmony they inspire. We now invite you to witness and immerse yourself in the beauty, power, and wisdom of the Panch Tattva. I am Earth, the giver of life. I hold trees, the mountains, and the soil. Without me, where would you stand? I am water, the one that quenches thirsts. I am in rivers, oceans, and rain. I keep everyone alive and growing. I am fire, the warmth and energy. I light up the darkness and cook your food. I am strong, but need to be used with care. I am air, the breath of life. You cannot see me, but you can feel me everywhere. I help you to breathe and keep this dancing. And I am the sky. I give room for everyone to live, move, and grow. I hold all the stars and planets together. Wow! Did you see how amazing the five elements are? Yes, each one is so important. Without them, we couldn't live at all. Prithvi gives us food and a place to play. I love the smell of fresh grass and feel of the ground when I run. And Jal is what we drink and splash in when we swim. Water keeps us healthy and makes plants grow. Agni is powerful and warm. It helps us cook food and keeps us cozy on cold nights. But we have to be careful with it. Vayu is the breeze that cools us when it's hot. It's also the air we breathe and we need it all the time. And Akash is like a big blanket that holds everything. It's where the stars twinkle and the moon shines at night. Together, these five elements make our world so wonderful. We need to take care of them, don't you think? Yes! If we take care of them, they'll take care of us. Let's promise to love and protect our earth, water, fire, air, and sky. Thank you, Panch Tattva, for giving us life and keeping us safe. Everything was perfect when the Panch Tattva were in balance. But what happens when we forget to respect and protect them? Let's see what our animal friends have to say. Oh no! Something terrible is happening in the village. The people are cutting down the tree and polluting the river. And the air feels so heavy and dirty. We can't breathe properly. I am finding it difficult to find the food. Who will help us? The pollution is spreading everywhere. The Panch Tattva heard the cries of the animals and decided to visit the villagers to see what was wrong. Meanwhile, at the village, my crops are not growing well. The soil has become too hard and dry. The rivers are dirty. I can't catch any fish anymore. The trees are dying and my garden is losing its beauty. I can't find good wood. Yes, the forests are being destroyed. Ha! 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 Yes! 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 Keep doing what you are doing. Destroy the nature. More pollution means more power for me. Ha! 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 Yes! 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 The the Panchtattva come to the rescue. Stop! You must listen to us. By harming nature, you harm yourself.
You cannot live without clean rivers and fresh water. You must protect me.
I give you warmth and energy, but uncontrolled fire will destroy everything.
You breathe me every moment. Cleaner is your right, but also your responsibility. I hold you all within me, giving you a place to exist. If you fill me with trash and pollution, what will happen to stars and planets? A wise sage come in to guide the villagers.
Dear villagers, listen to the Panchtattva. Nature is a gift, and if we harm it, we harm ourselves. We must live in balance with the earth, water, fire, air, and sky. We are sorry, wise Panchtattva. We didn't realize our mistake. From now on, we will take care of rivers and keep them clean.
Yes, we will. We will plant more trees that protect the forest.
We will only use wood from the trees that are meant to be cut down.
And plant new ones in that place. Look what happens to the pollution monster! No! 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 What is happening? My power is fading!
As the villagers promise to take care of the Panchtattva, the pollution monster grew smaller and smaller until he disappeared.
Thank you, dear friends, for understanding the importance of nature.
Together we can keep our rivers, oceans and lakes clean.
And use my energy wisely without causing harm.
We will breathe in fresh air, clean air once more. And I will remain the vast, beautiful universe holding all of you in harmony.
And so the villagers learned that when they care for nature, nature cares for them. The Panchtattva are always with us, and we must respect them to live a happy and healthy life.
जहाँ पवन बहे संकल्प लिए, जहाँ पर्वत गर्व सिखाते हैं, जहाँ पवन बहे संकल्प लिए, जहाँ पर्वत गर्व सिखाते हैं, जहाँ ऊंचे नीचे सब रास्ते भक्ति के सुर में गाते हैं, उस देव भूमि के ध्यान से मैं धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ, उस देव भूमि के ध्यान से मैं धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ। है भाग्य मेरा सौभाग्य मेरा, मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ। मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ और धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ। मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ और धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ, हो जाता हूँ, हो जाता हूँ।
मांडवे की रोटी और उड़के की छाव, हर एक मन करता शिव जी का जाओ। ऋषि मुनियों की है ये तपोभूमि, कितने वीरों की जन्मभूमि।
What an incredible performance! Our students truly brought the message of unity and harmony to life.
You know, Rudra, we often talk about the importance of fire or Agni in our lives. But have you ever thought about how it affects us in so many ways?
Absolutely, Agni is not just the fire we see burning in the heart or the campfire. It is a powerful force that sustains life in our bodies. Agni is the digestive fire that helps us process food and energy.
That's right. Fire symbolizes both destruction and creation. It can burn away what no longer needed and provide warmth and light. It's the force behind change and growth.
In yoga, Agni is linked to the solar plexus chakra, which governs our energy, power, and will.
Exactly. Agni also plays a role in purifying the body and mind. It's the fire of inspiration, creativity, and passion that drives us forward in life.
So, fire is just not something we need for survival. It is an element that shapes who we are, both physically and spiritually, helping us grow and evolve.
True. Agni is the energy that fuels us both inside and out. Let's remember to honor the fire within us, the fire that burns bright with passion, strength, and life.
Get ready to be dazzled by a fiery and energetic dance by class 4A3 that celebrate the dynamic force of Agni. A big round of applause.
पर्वत अग्नि वन अग्नि काल अग्नि पाताल अग्नि रक्षक अग्नि रण अग्नि आदि अग्नि अनंत अग्नि पर्वत अग्नि वन अग्नि काल अग्नि पाताल अग्नि रक्षक अग्नि रण अग्नि यहाँ था मगर जो यहाँ था वो हम थे संख्या के बिन संख्या बल जो यहाँ था वो हम थे अग्नि की जो पहली लपटों से खेला हो अग्नि में ही जो फला और फूला वो हम कटार लेके आ तलवार लेके आ हजार लेके आ जा कटार लेके आ तलवार लेके आ हजार लेके आ जा आदि अग्नि अनंत अग्नि पर्वत अग्नि वन अग्नि काल अग्नि पाताल अग्नि रक्षक अग्नि रण अग्नि
What a spectacular display of power and energy. Kudos to our performers for reminding us. Kudos to our performers for igniting the stage.
Now, let's celebrate the vibrant colors of life. And what better way to honor it than by celebrating a beautiful planet Earth?
Absolutely. The environment is not just the air we breathe or the land we walk on. It is our home, our lifeline. Yet over the years, it has faced countless challenges due to our actions. But it's time to take a step forward to save it.
To highlight this critical issue and inspire us to take action, we now present a captivating dance performance that reminds us of the beauty of nature and the urgent need to protect it.
This performance portrays the story of our environment from its lush, pristine beginnings to the current challenges of pollution, deforestation, and climate change. But it doesn't end there. It also offers a message of hope, urging us all to act responsibly and restore balance.
So, sit back, open your hearts, and let the rhythm, music, and expressions take you on this thought-provoking journey.
As we conclude this journey through the elements, let us remind ourselves of our responsibility to protect our planet.
Presenting an energetic and vibrant dance performance by the boys of Class 5 that encourages us to embrace sustainable practices and save the environment.
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा
कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा
प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है
मौका ये अब ना गवाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 पाए रे सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो प्लास्टिक है सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो भाई थैली बोतल स्ट्रॉ इत्यादि सर्रे सर्रे में फैला दी ना घट पाए ना मिट पाए रह रह के टॉक्सिक बन जाए इससे छुटकारा तो नहीं पर है एक सरल उपाय रे सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक को हम कह दे बाय बाय रे प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे जागो 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 हमें मिल करके एक कदम उठाना है जागो हम मिल करके एक कदम उठाना है प्रकृति है विनाश को हमें इसे बचाना है जागो जागो अपने दिल पर रख हाथ को ना अब ये बात मुकरनी है अपने दिल पर रख हाथ को ना अब ये बात मुकरनी है प्रकृति जितनी बर्बाद हुई सुन इंसा तेरी ये करनी है सुन इंसा तेरी ये करनी है सुन इंसा तेरी ये करनी है अपनी खुद नजरों से हमें उठ के दिखाना है अपनी खुद नजरों से हमें उठ के दिखाना है प्रकृति है विनाश को हमें इसे बचाना है जागो 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 हमें मिल करके एक कदम उठाना है जागो हम मिल करके एक कदम उठाना है प्रकृति है विनाश को हमें इसे बचाना है जागो जागो जागो
That was really beautiful. A big round of applause for them.
Some time back, પાછળ છોકરાઓ કમ્પ્લેન કરતા હતા મમ્મી પપ્પાને બૂમો પાડતે આવડતું જ નથી બહુ ધીમી બૂમો પાડી છે હવે શું બિચારા જતા રહ્યા કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં હવે અમારા ટીચર્સ માટે પાડજો ચોક્કસ યસ યસ ઓકે સો લેટ મી ટેક ધીસ મોમેન્ટ to celebrate the incredible dedication and love shown by our teachers from class 3 to 5. With tireless efforts and boundless patience, they nurture young minds, planting the seeds of knowledge and values that will grow for a lifetime. Their hard work goes beyond teaching. It's about shaping futures with care and compassion. Let us not forget to cheer for our little anchors too. They have done a wonderful job. That should be more louder.
What an evening it has been, filled with creativity, emotion, and a powerful message of sustainability. Let's applaud the incredible efforts of our students, teachers, and everyone who made this event possible. Thank you, dear audience, for your presence and encouragement. Let's take the message of today forward and strive for a harmonious relationship with nature. I now request Gargi ma'am to please come on stage for the vote of thanks.
And Jai Swaminarayan, as we draw the curtains on this mesmerizing celebration of Panchatattva, the 5 fundamental elements of life, earth, water, fire, air, and space, it is my privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to all who made this event memorable. First and foremost, I extend my deepest gratitude to our chief guest Alpana Mathur ma'am for honoring us with their presence. Your inspiring words have added immense value to this evening, encouraged us to embrace the harmony of these elements in our lives. We are immensely grateful to our management, principal ma'am, for their constant support, encouragement, and trust in all our endeavors. Your leadership ensures that events like this inspire and enrich everyone involved. I would also like to thank our dedicated teachers, our staff. Your hard work behind the scenes has truly paid off. From coordinating performances to managing every detail, this evening would not have been possible without your tireless efforts. To the supportive parents and guardians, your encouragement and presence mean the world to us. Thank you for believing in us and cheering for our young stars. Our special thanks to Gaurang sir, our dancer, without whom this event would not have been possible. I would also like to thank our technical team, rectors, caretakers, Standard 11 students as volunteers who worked so hard behind the curtains. A big shout out to our audience for their energy, enthusiasm, and applause. Your presence has added warmth and positivity to this special day. Lastly, let's carry forward the message of Panchatattva, an eternal element to live in harmony with nature and embrace its elements with gratitude and respect. Once again, thank you all for making this evening a grand success. Have a wonderful night, and we look forward to seeing you at our future events. Thank you so much for being here today and making this event a success.